Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cutesy little gnome. What we're going to be using is these little cones I got from Dollar Tree, yarn, and I have two pieces of fabric that I cut here kind of at a curved angle. This is like the scrap piece of one of my daughter's tank tops that she can't fit anymore, and this was a scrap piece of another tank top. Both are cotton knit. Then I'm going to be using this little jewel for the nose. So let's get started. So there you have it. Here's our cute little gnome, and it was super easy to make. Now if you want, you could add more string to yours to cover up more area. You could use fur, you can use wooden knobs for the nose, you could use different fabric for the hat. But this is the one I made. I really like it. It goes well with the other one that I made here. This one I used a thicker yarn, a different jewel, and I used felt instead. This, like I said, I used old tank tops that my daughter had, so they are a stretchier kind of knit, and I like this one because the hat looks more realistic, like an old nightcap. I may very well undo the string so the beard looks fuller, but I'm really happy with the way they turned out. Super easy, super cute. Like I said, I got the cones from Dollar Tree. You get them from Dollar Tree. Yarn I got from Walmart. This yarn I actually got offline. The jewels I got from Michael's, so I had them for a long time, but these are really cute, really easy, really simple to make. If you have any questions about today's video, please make sure you ask me in the comments below. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram just in case the comments are turned off here. You can comment on the photos or video on Instagram. And until next time, Bye.